So in this video, we will learn about triple vector products. So the triple vector product is defined as the cross product of one vector with the cross product of the others two. So this is how we're going to write the form: cross product of A with the cross product of AB. But how we're going to calculate the formula is the dot product of AC times vector B minus the dot product of vector A and C times vector B minus the dot product of AB times vector C. So here is the formula. So this one you need to memorize how to find triple vector products. So against the dot product of AC, first the first vector with the third vector A and C dot product multiply with vector B minus the dot product of vector A and B. So here is A and B multiply with the vector C. For this part, we will get a scalar. Same as this part because of the dot products. So let's say find the triple vector products. So this one, AB cross product of AB with the cross product of CD and EF. So the cross vector triple vector products. CD, EF. So from here, the formula is the dot product of AV, vector AV dan vector EF. The dot product of vector AB and vector EF. This one you need to memorize. Multiply with the vector of CD. And then minus vector of AB and CD. The dot product of vector of AB and CD. And then multiply with the vector of EF. So this one you need to memorize. So again, vector A and C, the first and the third vector, minus the first and the second vector, B and C. So CDEF, the first and the third vector, this part, minus the first and the second vector, the second part. So first we define the dot product of AB and EF. First, the dot product of AB and EF. So where AB is 1, -3 and -2. Dot product of EF 1, -4 and 3. So 1 times 1 plus -3 times -4 plus -2 times 3. So here I should get 1 plus 3 times -4, positive 12, minus here -2 times 3, -6. So here you should have 13 minus 6, which is 7. Then the dot product of AB and CD, where AB is against is 1, -3 and -2. Dot product with CD 2, 2 and 1. So here 1 times 2 plus -3 times 2 plus -2 times 1. So here is 2 minus 6 minus 2. So here is -6. So here is the dot product. Finally, we put in the formula the triple vector products AB, CD, and EF will be equals to the dot product of ABEF, which is 7, times the vector of CD. CD is 2, 2 and 1 minus the dot product of AB and CD, which is negative 6. Put a bracket, negative 6. And the vector of EF. The vector of EF is 1, negative 4, and 3. So from this part, I should have 7 times 2, 14, 14, and 7. So negative, negative will become positive. 6 times 1, 6. Or you can write in this form. If you want, you can remain as negative here. Then times negative, negative 6 times 1, negative 6. Negative 6 times negative 4, positive 24. Negative 6 times 3, negative 18. So from here, 14 minus negative 6. So means that 14 plus 6, which is 20. 14 minus 24. 14 minus 24. Here we shall have negative 10. And finally, 7 minus negative 18. Means that 7 plus 18. So here is 25. So here is our answer for the triple vector products. So the answer is in the vector form. Or you can write in the form of 20i minus 10j plus 25k. So this is the triple vector products.